Dependent events. Suppose you draw 2 cards from a deck. You draw the first card and do not replace it. The probability of the second draw depends on the first draw. 2 events are dependent events if the outcome of the first event affects the probability of the outcome of the next event. Let's take a look at some examples. Micah has 5 $1 bills, 3 $10 bills, and 2 $20 bills in her wallet. She picks 2 bills at random. What is the probability of picking the 2 $20 bills? So we have the probability of a 20 times the probability of a 20. But this time we are not replacing the money in the wallet. It is being spent on something. Okay, so if you need to draw a picture of this to visualize it, you have 5 $1 bills. That looks like this. You have 3 $10 bills. That looks like this, and 2 $20 bills. Okay, so how many 20s do we start with? 2. Out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 tenths. But now one of these 20s is gone. We spent it on a shirt. Now, without replacing it, we only have 120 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 options. Okay, we can simplify 2 tenths. When we simplify 2 tenths, we get 1/5. You can't simplify any further, so top times top, bottom times bottom, you get 1/45. All right, let's take a look at another one. You choose a card at random from the cards below. The card is a T. Keep the T and select a second card. What is the probability of selecting an A? Okay, so we're looking for the probability of T and not replacing it, and then selecting an A. Okay, so I have 1, 2 T's out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 options. Okay, one of the T's is now gone. We've kept it. Okay, now we're looking at the options for A's. So for the A's, I have 1 A, 2 A's. But out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I can simplify 2 tenths to 1/5. Top times top is 2. Bottom times bottom is 55. Okay, without replacing changes the probability. This is called dependent. Let's take a look at another example. All right, on question number 3. There are 12 cards in a deck. There is 1 number 2, 2 number 3s, 3 number 4s, 1 number 5, 2 number 6, 1 number 7, 1 number 8, and 1 number 9. Find the probability of a drawing of 4. So we have probability of 4. Then, without replacing the card, what is the probability of drawing a 7? Okay, so for the 4s, we have 1, 2, 3 4s. So 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the probability of 4 is 3/12. Okay, we did not replace it, so one of those went away. Okay, now what's the probability of getting a 7? Okay, There is only 1 7, but now out of an option of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, we can simplify 3/12 to say 1/4. This was a 1/11. Okay, 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 11 is 44. We're looking at 1/44. Let's take a look at another one. There are 26 cards in a bucket, lettered A through Z. Without replacing the first card, you draw a second one. Find the probability of winning if your initials are M and B. Okay, in the alphabet, there is 1 B out of 26. Okay, we did not replace the M. So now in the alphabet, there's only 25 letters, and there's only one letter P. So it's going to be top times top, bottom times bottom. So we got to do 26 times 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Placeholder, 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. We add it all up. We get 650. All right, let's take a look at the next one. It says a box contains 20 cards numbered 1 through 20. What is the probability of drawing a 1? So probability of 1. And then without replacing the card, what's the probability of drawing a 20? Okay, there's only one 1, so 1 out of 20. Okay, we don't replace it. Now there's only 120 out of now 19 cards. So top times top, we got 1. Then we're going to do 19 times 20. Bring down the 0. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So 1 over 380. All right, let's take a look at the back side. A box contains 20 cards numbered 1 through 20. What is the probability of drawing a 3? And without replacing the first card, what is the probability of drawing an even? Okay, there's only 1 3 out of 20. So that one's now gone. Now we got to look at our evens. So we have 2, we have 12, we have 14, we have 8, 16, 6, 4, 18, 20, and 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 out of 19. We can simplify the diagonal. So top times top is 1. 2 times 19 is 38. So 1/38. A box contains 3 blue marbles, 4 red marbles, and 2 white marbles. You draw 3 marbles without returning them to the bag. Find the probability of red, then probability of white, then probability of blue. Okay, so with red, I have 4 red out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I have 4 knights. Now one of the reds has disappeared. Okay, I have 2 whites out of now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 options. Okay, one of the whites is gone. Now blue. I have 3 blue out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, at this point, I can simplify the diagonals. So we are going to do, we can do 4 and 8 if we want. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. We could simplify 3 and 9. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. We could simplify the 2's. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. All right, now top times top. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3, times 7 is 21. So we have 121s. All right. A bag contains 3 blue marbles, 4 red marbles, and 2 white marbles. You draw 3 marbles without returning to the bag. Find the probability of red times the probability of white times the probability of white. Okay, I have 4 red out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, probability of white. There are 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the probability of white is 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we can simplify the diagonal. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Simplify 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Top times top times top is 1. 9 times 7 is 63. All right. In a drawer containing 6 loose socks, 2 are gray and 4 are black. You select a sock at random from the drawer. Without replacing the first sock, you select another sock. Find the probability of gray and then gray again. All right, so we have 2 gray socks, so 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 out of 6. One of the gray socks is now gone. So I now have 1 gray sock out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this can simplify to 1/3. Top times top, bottom times bottom. I get 1/15. All right. A bag contains the names of 8 girls and 6 boys. You draw 2 names from the bag without replacing the first name. Find each probability. A probability of a boy times the probability of boy. Okay, so I have 6 boys out of a total of 14 people. One of the boys is now gone. So now I have 5 boys out of 13. I can simplify the diagonal or the fraction. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 3 times 5 is 15. And then 13 times 7, we got 21. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. So we have 15 91s. All right, last one. A bag contains the name of 8 girls and 6 boys. You draw 2 names from the bag. Without replacing the first name, find the probability of girl, and then find the probability of boy. So we have 8 girls out of a total of 14. One of the girls is now gone. So we have boys. We have 6 boys out of 13. We can simplify the fractions. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Okay, 4 times 6 is 24. And 7 times 13 is 91. 24 91s.